Steak tacos recipe. Preparation time, 30 minutes. Marinating time, 1 hour, optional. Cooking time, 15 minutes. Total time, 1 hour 45 minutes. Yield, 4 servings. Ingredients. For the grilled steak: 1.5 pounds flank steak. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 4 tablespoons lime juice. 5 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. For the salsa verde: 1 cup fresh cilantro leaves. 2 1/2 cup fresh parsley leaves. 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice. 2 tablespoons chopped red onion. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1/4 cup olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. For the caramelized onions: 2 large onions, thinly sliced. 2 tablespoons butter. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon sugar. Salt and pepper to taste. For assembly: 8 small flour tortillas. 2 fresh cilantro leaves, for garnish. 3 lime wedges, for serving. Instructions. Marinate the steak, optional. 1. In a bowl, combine minced garlic, soy sauce, lime juice, olive oil, ground cumin, chili powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. 2. Seal the bag, massage the marinade into the steak, and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, allowing the flavors to infuse. Prepare the salsa verde. 1. In a blender or food processor, combine cilantro leaves, parsley leaves, lime juice, chopped red onion, jalapeno pepper, minced garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 2. Blend until smooth and well combined. 2. Adjust the seasoning according to your taste preference. 2. Set the salsa verde aside. Caramelize the onions. 1. Add the sliced onions and sprinkle with sugar, salt, and pepper. 2. Remove the caramelized onions from the skillet and set them aside. Grill the steak. 1. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. 2. Place the steak on the preheated grill and cook for 4 to 6 minutes per side, or until it reaches your desired level of doneness. 3. Remove the steak from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. 4. Slice the steak against the grain into thin strips. Assemble the tacos. 1. Warm the flour tortillas on a grill or in a dry skillet until pliable. 2. Spread a spoonful of the salsa verde onto each tortilla, creating a base for the tacos. 3. Top with a generous portion of the sliced grilled steak. 4. Add a spoonful of caramelized onions on top of the steak. 5. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves for added freshness and flavor. 6. Serve the tacos with lime wedges on the side for squeezing over the filling. Serve and enjoy. 1. Arrange the prepared steak tacos on a serving platter. Tips. 1. For a smokier flavor, you can use smoked paprika in the marinade. 2. Customize your tacos with additional toppings such as sliced avocado, crumbled queso fresco, or diced tomatoes. Conclusion. Grilled steak tacos with salsa verde and caramelized onions are a true delight for meat lovers. The combination of perfectly grilled steak, tangy salsa verde, and sweet caramelized onions creates a symphony of flavors that will leave you craving more. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a weeknight meal, these tacos are sure to impress. Follow this recipe, embrace the flavors, and enjoy a mouth-watering experience with these delectable steak tacos. Absolutely. Steak tacos are a delicious and satisfying meal that many people enjoy. The combination of tender grilled steak, flavorful toppings, and warm tortillas creates a mouth-watering experience. Whether you're grilling the steak yourself or ordering it at a restaurant, the juicy and savory flavors of steak tacos are sure to be a crowd pleaser. So go ahead, savor each bite, and enjoy the deliciousness of steak tacos.